All right, I'm gonna give you a simple core routine. And when I'm talking core, I'm talking about the entire core, your abs, your obliques, your lower back. So we're on a Swiss ball here, and I want you to get right under your glutes, you're on the Swiss ball. Then your feet are gonna come out, you're gonna get to 90 degrees, and you're gonna come back. And I want your arms all the way back, overhead, and then you're gonna extend up. So you're going into this extension, flexion. Anytime you get your hands overhead, you start to engage the entire core. Nice and easy, slow coming back. The Swiss ball is a great way to keep good posture, work the entire core. When you're back here, then you can go to a woodchopper. Right hand, left knee. Back down, left hand, right knee. Breathe. Starting to increase the intensity. And then the last one is you're going to get out on your back and you're going to rotate to the right and then to the left. Nice and easy. This rotation, keeping your hips high. Repeat that 6 to 7 reps each side. That's a great core routine. Gets that entire core engaged.